Welcome back everyone, welcome back to another What I Eat on Lazy Days. So first up, I'm making a TLT, tofu lettuce and tomato sandwich. I'm adding some tamari, agave, balsamic vinegar, liquid smoke, dijon mustard, and minced garlic. I'm slicing some tofu into thin rectangles. And I'm just going to add some marinade at the bottom of a container. Then my tofu slices, some more marinade, and you get the pattern. And I just let this sit in the fridge overnight. And the next day I pan fried it, and you want to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes on a low medium heat because you want it to be really crispy. For the Chipotle Mayo, I added some mayonnaise, chipotle sauce, and garlic powder and salt. Now I'm just slicing some focaccia bread that I got from my local bakery. Adding my mayo, lettuce, tomato, a little bit of pepper on top, and my tofu. I definitely recommend marinating the tofu because it gives it lots of flavor. Next, I made some rice and beans skillet enchiladas. So I'm sauteing some onions, pepper, and garlic. Now I'm adding the enchilada sauce. And I'm using this enchilada packet that I saw at the store. I'm adding some rice, some black beans. And I'm cutting up some corn tortillas into strips. And I'm just going to layer this over the top and mix it all in. Then I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it sit until the tortillas are soft. Now I'm topping it with some avocado and cilantro. Of course you can add some cheese or vegan cheese if you like, but mine was so delicious just like this. Next I made a tofu and honey mustard dressing salad. For the tofu marinade, I'm adding soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, oregano, paprika, poultry seasoning, garlic, onion powder, and nutritional yeast. So it forms a thick paste like this. And I'm just going to coat the tofu pieces in it. I just broke it off into chunks and I put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side. For the honey mustard dressing, I added Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, olive oil, agave, and I just thinned it out with some water. This is a nice lighter take on a chicken salad for all my vegan vegetarians out there. For dessert, I made a chocolate chip mug cake. I'm adding some gluten-free flour, baking powder, sugar, 1 egg, coconut oil, plant-based milk, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. And I microwaved this for 80 seconds. It actually came out pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.